Airtable tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I will show you how you guys can get started with Airtable. So Airtable is basically an application that is going to let you design applications that actually work perfectly for your specific business. So over here you guys can also see their web page and all of the different features that they offer at first glance. And over here you guys can also see that Airtable is being used by 300 different companies. So what are the solutions that they offer? They give you many different options such as integrations, enterprise overview. You also have features options, and of course a big marketplace. So to get started, click on sign up for free, and then after that they're going to take you over to their sign up page. So once you guys have signed up on Airtable, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to see. So over here, you guys can see that you have many different options. You have the option for the project tracker, which is going to help you keep track of all of your projects. Then you have your sales CRM, which is going to help you keep track of all your sales and also your customer relationship management. Then you have the option for content calendar, product planning, job hunting as well. And of course, over here, you guys have many different features as well. You can simply create a workspace by clicking on the add a workspace button, and then after that simply click on create workspace. And now from over here you can simply click on add a base if you want to, and then of course after that you guys can just simply start importing products, or by simply start creating your own products from over here quickly. You guys can also join your calendar, gallery, whatever you want over here, and that is how you guys can basically create a workspace on Airtable. You can also choose from hundreds of templates that they offer, and also you guys can choose from their marketplace as well, from which you guys can get really stunning plugins and really good integrations. So all in all, this is how you guys can use Airtable. This was the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.